Hi all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video, we will study about the installation and the configuration of Azure Databricks in the CLI. That is in the Cloud Shell, how we can access Databricks. CLI is the command line interface, which is an icon present in the Azure portal on the top right side, the very first icon present here, denoted by this symbol. So the commands which are used to access Databricks through Cloud Shell are here in this Word document. So in order to access the Databricks CLI, we have to first create the virtual environment, which is done through this command. So we are going to create the virtual environment in the Cloud Shell. So the Cloud Shell is here. We are connected using bash. We will paste this command and execute it. So it has created the virtual environment with Python 3. Next is to switch to the virtual environment which we have created. So this is the command. These commands are taken from the official Microsoft site. So here we are going to paste this. Here you can see after executing this command, Databricks CLI is shown over here. Next is to install the Databricks CLI. So for installing, this is the command. Let's paste this command. So the next step is Databricks configure token. That is the authentication to which Databricks we want to get access to on CLI. So when our account has multiple Databricks hosts, different workspaces, and we want to access a particular Databricks host through CLI, we will get access to that. So through CLI, and we want to authenticate to that Databricks host, we have to give this command configure token. So this command is pasted. It will prompt us to give the Databricks host. It should begin with HTTPS. So this host name you can get from the Databricks host or the workspace which you have created. So this could be taken up. Once you have created the Databricks workspace, here on the top the URL is displayed. This is the URL which we'll be using in this CLI. So we'll copy that and we'll paste, and we will paste here. Next is token. Token is the key through which we will log in into this Databricks host. So the key is present in that account in the user settings. On the top right side, we have user settings under the account name. Here you can generate a new token by clicking on generating the new token and copy it, paste it somewhere for your future purpose. It will not be displayed again here. In our case, we already have created a token and the same token we will be using. So just copy that token and paste it in the token place. Click enter. Next, we have to verify that whether we are able to see the Databricks file system. So this is the command to see the file system. Let's paste the command and click enter. So here it has displayed the file system or listed the file system of the Databricks workspace, which is having the file store, Databricks results, temporary, and the user folder. So these are the few steps which are required to access any Databricks host via Cloud Shell or Azure command line interface. Hope you've got the idea of this configuration. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning.